Hey guys, it's me Lenny and welcome to my channel. Today is a bit different because I'm doing a content shoot outside, not at home. And currently I'm at Jewel Changi Airport. And I just got to know that Arabica Coffee just opened its outlet here. I'm sorry that I'll be drinking coffee today knowing that I can't, but I just have to lah. I've been craving for coffee and it's been way too long. Wish me good luck. Hopefully I will not get any heart palpitations today, yeah? Last video I actually talked about my 5 ways to cope with my anxiety and I hope it really benefits you. For those of you who have not watched the video last week, you can click on the suggested link over here and watch it before you continue with this video, okay? Today I'm going to continue again. I'm going to share with you the journal application that I use daily, and this application is called Bloom application is available for iPhone users. You can use 2 Bloom application. One is Bloom CBT, which is the cognitive behavioral therapy, and the second Bloom application is Bloom meditation and sleep, if I'm not wrong, right? You can just go to the App Store and you can download it yourself. Now for Android users, you only have one choice, which is the Bloom meditation and sleep, if I'm not wrong. You do not have the Bloom app for cognitive behavioral therapy. So the best way to do is to convert to iPhone. So once you download, you simply click on the application and you will see the screen. Ta-da! Bloom. Now the first thing that you will see is the Daily Bloom, which is your daily therapy sessions. They will go through with you like, how do you feel today? So you can say, okay, somewhat bad, okay, pretty good, as well as super awesome. I choose super awesome. And also, how would you describe your mood today? I would go for relaxed. And you continue. In this application, what is really good is you can type how you really feel. In this topic, it says, what made you relax today? So I type it out. So you will see your daily mood tracker. Once you're done, then you will start your daily therapy session. Okay, besides going through your daily mood, you can also write down your thoughts. You can take a moment to reflect what you have done throughout the day. Besides working on your daily mood as well as your self-reflection, you can go through on what you want to work on today. Overcome the inner critic, redirect thoughts in times of worry, overcome chronic stress, as well as develop a healthy relationship with my ego. I decided to go for overcome my inner critic. Your therapist will go through your daily therapy sessions for about 10 minutes. And one of the things that I love is it says here, what is a negative statement you say to yourself? That means you have to critique your own self. And lastly, we have to counter with positive statements. So from how you critique yourself, you will have to change it to something positive. So you believe in yourself. You have to do your own self-talk. From feeling I am very lousy, I cannot do this, I'm going to screw this performance, to I am confident, I have done this before, I know I can do it, and everything's going to be okay. Moving on. The last thing that I want to go through with you on Bloom application is your stats, okay? So your stats can actually track your average mood throughout the week. According to my stats, it says here that my average mood is 60% good, 40% okay, everything is good, right? And then it also goes through your emotions. I feel 40% relaxed this week, 20% unsure, sometimes I feel confused, sometimes I feel stressed, I am 20% tired. See, so all these are very good for you to track. If one day you get anxiety attack or panic attack, you can actually track your triggers. Now let's go through the Explore tab. In the Explore tabs, it's the library itself. If you have stress, you have anxiety, depression, or you want to find your motivation and your self-love, the library contains a lot of programs. You can actually use this program daily without meeting your therapist, but it's still very important to meet your psychotherapist or your psychologist because they will actually understand you better. So this Bloom application is not only for those who are facing mental illness, but I recommend this to everybody. If you sometimes feel you have lack of motivation and you need to find self-love, you need to find confidence in yourself, this is the best app for you to try it out, okay? Mana aku punya tab? Since I have anxiety, I will go to the anxiety tab. Let's try self-love letter. Write a letter to yourself to practice love and acceptance. In this self-love letter, you will actually get to imagine yourself as a friend who is talking to you. It's a letter from yourself to yourself. So let's try this exercise together. So this is what I wrote to myself. I said, "Hey Lainey, I just want you to know that I know you as a confident, joyful and smiley person. You have a great talent and I don't want you to stop sharing your love for music. Things may be hard for you sometimes, but everything is going to be okay and good. You have me anytime. I love you." Now this application is free for the first 7 days, okay? Sadly, you will need to pay after a week, but I truly recommend you to try out for a week first. If it really helps you, if it really benefits you, then I truly suggest you to buy this application. The extra advantage of this application is it's on your phone, so you bring it with you anytime and anywhere you want. If you want to do your journal in the toilet, go ahead. And remember, your handphone is a personal belonging, so there's no way that the person next to you can actually check what you wrote to yourself. Share the love, share the love. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. I really hope it benefits you. So do remember to subscribe, like and share this video as well. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. Yours truly, Violennist.